Apostle Kojo Safo SAV eye acrobato from say eye acrobato anka wokwakowu ewo eye Belgium na obebisa me say just Lovers TV edie ben ene koto eye acrobato ewo Belgium edie ben anamontu ene eye acrobato 2 ye entia anka acrobato ekwakoto anamo ewo eye ensiadoma eye Apostle Kojo Safo eye den SAV no acrobato eye na adwen se okọ eye Belgium na prekope ena wose wokwakohu eye ne Godfather eye Apostle Kojo Safo na wakra no se wonya visa awode eko eye Belgium akwakobobra oho ena tese acrobato ekohia na kwenhia nka wokwakoto na namo awonsiado nanso wokohia eye Apostle Kojo Safo no wotimi anya ne ti edidi mu de sidie mepese obeka me ho ne akotie eye acrobato next time no na yemu bia ye wo Godfather spiritually ni wom eye strong yetie wom eye na aboa ye tse de bo acrobato ansabi anka wowu akwakọ owu anka sabi ene atete anka acrobato ene ne kwakoto mu ewo Belgium no wotumi enya eye ne fa hodie ohima Mercy divorce ni kunu na divorce so de eye ade a chese ye mienti asie mu no anase me mienti asie mu no me hu se nyame echiwade ai sana me de me hu no se nyame echiwade sanka oba ne hukun de anka won be wade de akọ eye ewie ye efel so nanso oba eye ohima Mercy divorce eye ni kunu na wono ko ade wo divorce ni kunu a wo se wo consult nyankopon se nyankopon me pese me divorce me kunu abusua yanko tie niem bisa ne nsem ko a wosifa eka che nyankopon na nkoma wode ni nyankopon kotwetwe ekotwetwe a tese wo wiege no wotimi divorce ni kun to her successfully ye ba so dia ene na chese acrobato enso ade no etoa so.
Yes, but this is the time I've seen the hand of God so strong in my life.
Even more than when you were married.
Even more than. So I was actually depending on man.
So you had the confirmation from God,
of course,
that this is it and it's over.
And when I spoke to my partner too, he also understood that we have to do this and then pray and see what the Lord will do.
So you initiated the conversation of the divorce.
Of course.
What were your first few words? What did you say?
I really want us to have a break.
Okay.
And then I need to run with the ministry. And I know that is your passion for me.
Okay.
Let me run with it. Let's take care of the kids and help each other. If I'm going through something, we talk about it. Let's take care of the kids. And then I don't want to feel God. Because it's like I'm
failing God by staying in the marriage.
So I actually have to sit down with him, and then we had a cordial conversation. And for him, he's very, very mature.
So it's been very cordial.
Very, very up to
you guys speak every day.
Speak every
You're
day.
co-parenting.
Very, very.
Like you said in the beginning, there's so much that we need to talk about. I don't even know which one.
But I want to advise everyone. If you're a woman and you are going through divorce, your partner is not your enemy. Oh yes. Because of the kids, you have a covenant. So I actually have to allow God to lead me through this. So that it will be another phase for every woman to emulate. That if you are going through battles in your marriage and it comes to the point of you going through a divorce, understand that you can never be enemies. You have to help each other because of the kids.
It's not even profitable.
It's not.
When God took you through the transition of your marriage to the point where it broke, everyone was talking.
Yes.
Everybody was talking.
Yeah.
Look, at the time I lived in a particular place in Sakumono.
I know.
So I knew the beautiful house that you had built.
Yes.
In fact, in that area, your house was actually the name of that area.
Of course.
Because the house was
Mercy Street.
Exactly, Mercy Street.
It's still the Mercy Street.
Beautiful greenhouse.
Yes.
Exquisite. When God took you through that transition, how did you feel?
I remember when I was going through that, I said to myself, devil, I've given you a rope. Make sure you're able to pull it well. Because I'm pulling it with you in heaven. If I'm able to pull this rope to my side and I win this battle, we are in trouble. And I want to say this to every woman. When you are going through divorce, one thing that I've learned is that you don't depend on any man. Because tomorrow, there are some things you will regret. For me, my dependency was on the Lord. I didn't want to talk to anyone. I didn't want anyone to hear of whatever I was going through during the COVID season. And that was where I had that serious covenant with the Lord and an encounter with the Lord, speaking to him solely, going to the mountains to be there for 3 months. And I really want to hear what the Lord wants to tell me about what is going on around me. So when I heard it clearly, I took that bold step. And for me, I give God the glory because I'm divorced, yes. But this is the time I've seen the hand of God so strong on my life.
Acrobato eye na adwen se Ghana ha say awote no in fact wonya emwa bia waye de nipa betimi aye wabone homodin ewo kwan bia so aso nyama ntimi enkoyi ma no nti wokodi eye visa echie atese wonya eye Belgium visa se okọ eye Belgium akakobobra na se owo spiritual father Apostle Joseph no kokohu no edikotu nanim se daddy me person me ko eye Belgium ekokobobra e ma tese eye Apostle Joseph ka kire se Belgium die etu na ensu na wo ye die e wa so ko eye Belgium a wo beka ko hia eye wa kwanhia no kwasem Acrobato etie ne papa no wadiye e wo Ghana ase ye kotie Acrobato video ne ye ba so dia ene na tese obapa kana se ye ba so dia ene na tese oba so no just love Steve miracle app e de amawo
obo jo kwasi san tira ya ne be yi sikana ko bru chako pere ko ji obi nan ya bra suti ni mu asa be tie ye me ko America bi duro manfo ko ji wa ba ye ha de be pedwa mo ya Ghana de ya edin bra eno nga ke sa trem na me ko to at least me sure say nipa 20 na me ko to mo ni di sanko na at least emu be 18 de makobe ni maseno mu nyina ya ayana meti o ti ko si ye say ko ni e school kra me ko ti ko nyina bon sa no be yi yes the bon so afa bra afa kojo tafo yeah that mean kra se openino yeah Ghana for bitimi ka say asa moye ni se nyankopon yes ade tira nipa nyame wen mo so no se nyankopon bra nyame wen yesu no mba no mo tutu atabai nyame wo soro nyame o se mo se yebo yesu dia ho di ne yebo nyame obi vere ni hu no nyame nkume mo bo nyame bo ame no nyame bo awda thank you. Very simple as this. Busy. Nipa. Onyakopo ka be boni ko bi suba se meseso. Esi nyamru hu no aso. Umbo nyame no akoso do. Okay. Odi ade hu ho bosom. Thank you. Bosom ye wele aso. Obele ade odi ade hu na ye onyame. Eti no aye nipa. Okay. What I say? Oti nyame se be boni ko bi suba se meseso. Eti nyame no wo nyame wo nyame tibie mu. Eti no wonti be nkosoma de bia wu ukosoma de bia wu na bosom na wosom okay ana meboa okay Paul Abraham wan o mi no ma tase so ye no mo ye gusu mo ye nko ba se mezi ne ni o mi nipa na fe what's your problem okay after nchemo no emu ada opa eti no sie o kase ye so nsi nyankopon is the right say ye so nsi nyankopon
abusua ene na chese ye sempa Acrobato ese eye Apostle Joseph obesom no kobesom ne tse ne nyankopon esanse woye na adwen se okọ Belgium akwakobo bra no na chese wokoya kanisa besi from amasabi ke bia anka wode eye ne sapan ene beba ebi po anka sabi anka chese obebo akokora wo amatabi edi ni funu edi aba na wokoko hu eye ne spiritual father eye Apostle Joseph edi tu de say daddy eye anamontuo ametu ne in fact visa no kra men sa kan chese me nam kwanso ameko na mo nsabi mitimi antwemfa wo so wo brepo ame papa me mo wa mane ye se me ko eye Belgium papa no kacha Apostle papa no kacha eye Acrobato say Belgium wo ye di eniwo Belgium nkunim di eniwo in fact abrochi ko bia so ni hono mo a eye Acrobato wo ye di ene wo hyebre ehya wo de wodan ekokosi wa wo be ye na mu no wo acrobat wo yedie e wo Ghana ha se empo wo yedie no eben wo na ase ene won se wo be ben me eye Apostle Joseph na ma kyerɛkyerɛ wo bebi a yedie no wo na ho eye yenua anase ye wo fa yade nyina acrobato ese wo de Apostle obegye wo jemu ntentem edi eye Apostle Joseph echi a ene se acrobato ese wo kase wo ka acrobato ada nyi acrobato yenim na mu acrobato a ene yenim ne se acrobato Kwame despite we diye ankasa amachese asumdwe ne ho atono se den wo po fie ni wo po ka no wo to de ba ni nyina wotimi eye because otie ni papa eye Apostle Kojo Esafo ebi kura na chese eye Apostle ebi kura na ka eye acrobato sabi eko akwentu mu a ka wo yade mo sabi wo wiye kura mpo ma ednifunu ebaye o ye sutie ede ma ne papa ena aboa no ye fi ho nso ne ede nkomo ne ba wie ya eye wo hima Mercy se ai wo jai eye awade won kunkun wone won kunkun kasa se wo pese wo ye nyame adwuma eyiye na se eye awade nso sabi wone ne ku be hyehyɛ mu ene ade emma wono kwan emma wontimi enye ne nyankopon adwuma te se de wono epe no enti in fact wo da sorry da ko ena wo ka che ne kun Samira let's call a spade a spade. You ever see here? Let's call a spade. When we see one more, na chese papa afa ne kwan, na wono so afa ne kwan. Na Ghana for eka say, oh, eye wo hima Mercy ekuna kasa ebia na wo pe ene eye wo hima Mercy sabi ejai dada because na wo hima Mercy e put in the point straight say ye daddy me pese ye ende eye awade no wa ha entem so pa age say ye ntwentwentwentwen so eye wo hima Mercy ni kunu eti ase de na wo mo suspect ni se papa no sabi oye wo mo sabi wo fo mo trum ni bi ananso say ebia na wo pe ejai ne gire no ankasa ebusua ene ese wotime ka ensem ne bi a etwegu ye ewo abefo ahomatentakese no so no ebi ene wo ba so no just love Steve media besum ewo ha sei so wani agi medwumedi we a make sure say obe subscribe to just love Steve so subscribing so a mia notification bell no so said the bigger information bia no wo so won sabe timi akebi meda wase se wo bre ene wadaje enti just love Steve sabe like your videos recommend just love Steve ema afofo na wankasa most any chew on a year just love Steve drop your comment na yenkin kan enkogi ni meda wase bebre se wo se wadaje eti macrow